People love quick and easy money. They love to get home and play video games and not have to worry about working anymore. But if you want to run a business, that's not how things work. If you want to learn how to do AI OFM, we're going to be discussing how hard it is and how much work is required to be able to perform at a high level within this industry.
So when you start any online business, obviously you're going to need to know the basics of business to start off. If you don't know this, it's going to take a while for you to build up that knowledge and those skills required, no matter what business you're going into. The difference with AI OFM is that most business models, you will need to invest a lot of money, which a lot of people don't have if you're thinking about starting an online business. For example, with crypto or Forex, you're going to need to have that money to start off with to be able to invest it in that crypto or that Forex. Dropshipping, you're going to need money to start up a website, probably need to buy a course because all the online information is absolute shit. However, with AI OFM, all the knowledge that you need is already out there for free, and most of the softwares are near to free, if not free themselves. So theoretically, it is the cheap business model to start, as well as the newest and most exciting.
But the main thing you're probably thinking is time and money. They're pretty much similar things when it comes to business. Now, am I going to have to spend a lot of time and work really hard to make sure this business works? The answer is yes, you are. However, like Kyle just said, you don't have to invest loads of time and loads of money. You can just purely invest your time and grow to a good standard and start generating money from AI. And another amazing thing about AI is there's no time restraints. When it comes to trading, the market closes. When it comes to dropshipping, you order something, you have to wait for it to rock up. So this is not limited by other factors such as the ones just mentioned. You can literally sit there for 24 hours straight, working on your business, generating AI models and marketing them online, and then make money. It's a 24-hour process, and this massively enhances the speed at which you can start making money online.
This also makes it a lot easier to delegate certain tasks to staff. Since it is a 24-hour around-the-clock business, you can easily delegate tasks while you sleep so that your business is actually running 24/7.
So if you have slightly more money to leverage, you can easily put that to a side, start getting staff to run it all for you so you can sleep. But if you did want to work hard, then you obviously can continue to track on. And that's where time and money needs to be balanced. So how hard actually is it? Obviously, making the content isn't too hard. However, doing that in combination with your marketing, your management of the accounts, and potentially managing staff as well, takes up a bit of time. So is it a one-man job? 100%, it can be done as a one-person job. However, you will eventually need to start hiring staff, such as VAs to manage the account, social media accounts, or chatters to manage the spicy account. Things like this will be required when you start to scale. So is it worth going in with someone else, or should I do it individually?
Obviously, we may be slightly biased. As you can see, we do work in a partnership. However, I would say 1,000,000% it is definitely better to start any business with someone else. For example, just a quick example of a split that we could do. Toby could be working on content generation, and I could be working on social media marketing. And then we could hire a chatting team to run the fan view account and actually chat to our customers. So there we have it. Us two working at the top of the chain, and then we manage staff that are running the fan view account. Super simple, super easy, and it allows us to have multiple models at the same time and be running efficiently.
What this also means is the output you're going to be getting. Like we said earlier, it's a 24-hour process. If Kyle purely worked 24 hours on marketing, we wouldn't have time for anything else. However, the marketing would grow a lot quicker. So this means us coming in as a pair. I could, let's say, work 24 hours on creating content. I'm gonna have 4 or 5 times more content. I'm purely just focusing on that rather than doing X, Y, Z as well. So this is why it's quite important to come in as a pair. You can obviously go in as an individual, but you've got to be aware that you're going to be doing a lot more things and you're going to be scaling a lot slower. And once again, you're going to be competing against teams. So it's going to be more beneficial to rock up with a partner.
Also, when you talk about partnerships and starting businesses, you are probably going to be investing a lot into education and self-education. However, if there is 2 of you, for example, that is 50% of the cost of a course, for example, to get you both started on a business model, rather than you paying 100% of that course and the other person paying 100% of the course and you both doing it individually. Makes no sense. You're splitting the cost and you're doubling the actual work ethic itself. That being said, we do sell a course, that will be in the description. We do sell coaching as well. This is something that we personally allow partnerships into anyway, as we do encourage this. So if you are looking for a bit of extra help on getting your own AI OnlyFans agency started, go to the description and invest in your business.